Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental service? Look no further than Key Waste LLC. At Key Waste LLC, we provide top-notch waste management solutions for residential, commercial, and construction projects. Whether you're renovating your home, managing a large construction site, or running a business, we've got the perfect dumpster to fit your needs. With Key Waste LLC, you can expect professionalism, efficiency, and a hassle-free experience. We prioritize environmentally responsible practices, ensuring that all waste is handled and disposed of in compliance with local regulations. Choose Key Waste LLC for an eco-friendly solution to your waste management needs. Key Waste LLC operates with the highest standards of reliability and efficiency. Our fleet of well-maintained trucks and experienced drivers ensures that your dumpsters are delivered on time and picked up promptly. We understand that time is money, and we work hard to ensure that our services seamlessly integrate into your schedule, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Ready to tackle your next project or cleanup? Call us today at 704-804-2388 or visit our website at www.keydumpsters.com to learn more and book your dumpster rental. Key Waste LLC, making waste management easy and efficient.